Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can fix Alight Motion sign-in problem. If you're experiencing sign-in problem or login issue with Alight Motion app, you can try following the steps. Step number 1 is you can check your internet connection always. Sometimes poor or unstable internet connection might be an issue. So you need to ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. So sign-in may fail if you're offline or have a weak connection. So basically, to check your internet connection, you can enable a flight mode for a certain time, approximately 20 seconds, and after that you can enable your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, and that might be able to solve your issue. If you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can also verify your credential. Sometimes if you have entered incorrect credential, then it might be one of the reasons. Now double check that you're entering the correct email address and then a password associated with your Alight Motion. Pay attention to capitalization and specific characters. Apart from it, you can also reset your password. So if you suspect that you've forgotten your password, you can tap the forgot password or reset password option on a login screen. Follow the prompt to get a password or to reset your password. Apart from it, you can also update your application. So in order to update your application, open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Alight Motion and check whether you need to update the application or not. If you see update, you'll need to update the application. After updating your application, if you're still unable to fix it, you can also clear cache as well as storage. For that, you need to long press on your Alight Motion. After that, go to app info page. Here, go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache as well as clear storage. After that, you can just reinstall or restart your device, and that might be able to solve the issue all at once. If none of these seems to be working, sometimes sign-in problems can occur due to temporary server issue on Alight Motion's end. In such cases, you may need to wait for them to resolve the problem. So check their official site, social media accounts or website for update on service status. So that is basically how you can fix your sign-in issue on Alight Motion. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.